Zoran Zaev and his government was the best example for the region of Southeast Europe, what one country and one government can do best for its citizens.
Ja nisam siguran koliko ste svjesni, koliko su oči čitavog regiona uprte u Makedoniju i koliko zapravo svima nama dajete nadu da može puno bolje, da se mogu praviti iskoraci, da ljudi mogu vidjeti da postoji odgovorna vlast koja svoje građane tretira kao partnere.
Ono što se vidi i u Hrvatskoj i u svijetu je da se u Makedoniji dinamizira gospodarski rast, da se Makedonija počela reformirati, da se razvija, da se otvara svijetu.
You manage to bring your country to NATO, which is a historical event. And you are very close, and I believe very soon we shall be welcoming you as a country which starts the negotiations about EU accession, because you deserved it.
We as Europeans, we as Swedes, are now hoping and working for ensuring that we have a positive decision by the European Union on enlargement, that we can welcome our sisters and brothers from North Macedonia into the European Union as soon as possible.
Raising salaries, raising pensions, doing everything for the freedom of media, for fundamental rights of citizens. This is the country we want to see in European Union.
Zato sam tu sa punim povjerenjem da će vlada Zorana Zaeva nastaviti svoj reformski put i u godinama koje dolaze.
The Social Democratic Union of Macedonia is holding a decisive congress about the future of your party and the future of your country.